Okay, what we're going to be showing today is the one-way motorcycle alarm. We have available is two-way alarm, which come with long-range remote, has extra distance, long-range antenna, and it comes in an LCD pager, which does page you, sends a message from the alarm to your unit if your bike is being tampered with. Okay, this is the one-way system that we have, 119 installed. And this is the bike we're going to be showing on. Now here in South Florida, second state for motorcycle thefts. And this is basically how the motorcycle alarm works. Installed, it's $119. Basically has the arm feature. Comes with a 125 decibel siren. It's hooked up to your lights. So now the motorcycle is armed. And there is a flashing blue light on the tail section also. If I hit the bike, someone tries to move it, the alarm goes off a few seconds. If I touch it again, until the alarm is shut off. Now the remote comes with two remotes. Got the lock, unlock feature. We also have a feature for LED lights. So you can turn them on remotely. Turn off the lights so you can see them here. On the remote, you hit the remote start button once, twice. Now you have the ground effects. You can't see that well at night. I'm sorry, during the day in the shop here, but it is really bright. And then you can turn that off remotely. You can arm it. Now you see it comes with an extra tail light, LED, to warn others that the bike is armed. There's HID lights also we have available, and these frame sliders, which are clear, come in different colors. They can be used for auxiliary LED lights, frame sliders, or you can wire them directly into your turn signals, which is what we have going on here. That's basically it. If you want an alarm installed here in South Florida, $119 for the one-way, $169 for the two-way. We also have HID lights, and we have frame sliders, clear with LED lights inside of them, $59.99. Phone number is 561-312-5447.